प्रश्नोत्तर सत्संग के माध्यम से आज ये प्रश्न आया है, पिप्पिलियो मालेशिया से पिप्पिलियो जी लेडी जी है। वो पूछ रहे हैं, हाउ विल एवेलेबल ब्लेस ऑफ गॉड, यानी किस प्रकार से प्राप्त होगा भगवान के आशीर्वाद। भगवान के आशीर्वाद क्या करने से मिलेगा। हाउ विल अवेलेबल ब्लेस ऑफ गॉड इन क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर स्पिरिचुअल प्रीचिंग, asking question Pippiliu from Malaysia. Pippiliu, if you want bless of God, you are utterance name of the God all times, any times, morning, before noon, noon, afternoon, evening, night, midnight, always utterance you name of God. Waking time, dinner and lunch time, sleeping time, working time, all times, always utterance the name of God. God's name are endless names, unnumberable names. राम, कृष्ण, गोविंद, हरि, माधव, नारायण, etc. But the name of Ram is greatest name of the God. Goswami Tuliyaji said in Ramcharitamanas, Ramayana, सहस्र नाम सम सुनिस्व वाणी, जपी जही पिय संग भवानी। मेरे साथ रामायण है, इसका प्रमाण भी दे रहा हूं। आई गिव ये प्रूफ इन रामायण रामचरितमानस तुलसीदास। Hearing the verdict of Lord Shiva that the name of as God as 1,000 other names of God. Goddess Parvati, Bhavani, denied with her consent of her uttering it only once. The name of God, Sri Ram, dignity are endless. Goswami Tuliyaji said after, नाम जिह जपी जा गई जोगी, बिरति बिरंच प्रपंच वियोगी, ब्रह्म सुखई अनुभवहि अनुपा, अकथ अनामय नाम न रूपा, जान चहई गूढ़गति जेहू, नाम जिह जपी जान नहीं तेहू, साधक नाम जपै जय लाए, होई सिद्ध निबाद्य जा पाए, जपहि नाम जन आरत भारी, मिटै कु संकट होई सुखारी। Yogis, mystics who are full of dispassion and are wholly detached from God's creation keep awake in the delight of wisdom, muttering the name with their tongue and enjoy the facility of Brahma the Absolute, who is the incomparable, unspeakable, unmixed with sorrow and devoid of name and form. Even those seekers of truth who aspire to know the mysterious way of the providence and able to comprehend, they by muttering the name strives, hankering after worldly achievements, repeat the name absorbed in the contemplation and become accomplished, acquiring superhuman power such as that of becoming infinitely small in size. After Tulsidas said, जपहि नाम जन आरत भारी मिटई कु संकट होई सुखारी. If devotees in the distress mutter the name, their worst calamities of the gravest type disappear and they become happy. After Tulsidas said, राम भगत जगत चारि प्रकारा सुकृति चारि हु अनक उदारा. चहु चतुर कहूँ नाम अधारा ज्ञानी प्रभु ही विशेष प्यारा. चहु जुग चहु श्रुति नाम प्रभाव कल विशेष नहीं आनु पाऊ. In this world there are four kinds of devotees of Sri Ram. All the four of them are virtuous, sinless and noble. All the four clever as they are rely upon the name of the enlightened devotee is specially dear to the Lord. The glory of the name of Supreme, all the four Jugas and all the four Vedas, particularly in the Kali age, in the which there is no other means of salvation. Pippilu, name of God, dignitar, endless. Tulsidas after said, अपितु अजामिलु गजगणिकाओ भय मुक्त हरि नाम प्रभाव. कहु कहाँ लगी नाम बड़ाई, राम न सखई नाम गुण गाई. The village Ajamil and even the celebrated elephant and the chariot of the legend were liberated by the power of Sri Hari's name. I have no words to depict the glory of the name. Not even Ram can adequately glorify. Tulsidas ji after said, ध्यान प्रथम जुग मखपति दूजे द्वापर परितोषत प्रभु पूजे. कलि केवल मल मूल मलिना पाप पयो निधि जनमन मीना. नाम काम तुल काल कराला सुमिरत समन सकल जग जाला. राम नाम कल हिमत दाता हित पर लोक लोक पितु माता. नहीं कलि कर्म न भगति विवेकु राम नाम अवलंबन एकु. काल नेमि कवि कपट निधानु राम सुमति समर्थ हनुमानु. Not only in this Kali age, but in all the four ages, at all times, past, present and future, and in all the three spheres, heaven, earth and the subterranean religion, creatures have been rid of greed by repreaching the name. The verdict of the Vedas and the Puranas as well as of saint, it is just this, that love of Ram or the name Ram is the reward of all virtuous acts in the first age contemplation. In the second age, sacrifice. In the Dwapar age, the Lord the depot propitiated worship. This age of Kali, however, is simply corrupt and the root of all impurities, where the mind of man wallow like a fish in the ocean of sin. In this terrible age, the name alone is the Rishi Eldling's tree, the very top of which put an end to all the illusions of the world. The name of Rams is the best over of one's desired object in this age of Kali. It is beneficent in the other world and one's father and mother in the world in Kali Yuga. Neither karma, action, nor bhakti, devotion, nor again jnana, knowledge avails. The name of Ram is the only result. The age of Kali is as it were the demon Kalinemi, the repository of all wiles, various the name of the wise and mighty Hanuman. The Tulijaji after said, Bhav Kubhav Anak Alasahu Nam Japat Mangal Disidasahum. Nam Japat Mangal Disidasahum. The name of repeated either with God or evil intentions in an angry mood or even while joining differs joy in all the 10 directions. Peculiarly, name of God or dignity are endless. So I will you tell your utterance all times the name of the Ram. Anytime utterance name of the Ram, God will give you bless. Jai Sri Ram.